approaching change. It doesn't always go as smoothly as you hope. And it's really great when you can get feedback along the way. But one thing I've realized in my all the years of change that I've done is that you can't just ask for feedback and expect that people are going to be open and candid with you unless you've built a feedback culture. And so I always recommend that you ask for feedback when it's not really important and get people used to having those open conversations and letting them understand that you're going to make changes based on what other people talk about and have opinions about. And not always, but when you continue to open those lines of communication, when it's really important and you have a big project and you really need to hear what people think, even if it's not in agreement, then that foundation is built. So I highly recommend starting your own feedback culture. If you have any other tips, love to hear them.